Oh, what up, my boy?
Headache.
You look horrible.
Groggy. I'm not getting the sleep I need, man. The bed just not doing it, and I just bought that mattress, man. I don't know what it is, man. Like,
I'm sorry, man.
I gotta go to work, man.
Okay. I know what to do. I got something for him. All right. Perfect. That's the one. It's gonna help my boy out. Let's get that back right. Whoa, hey, yo. Let's get some sleep in there, man. Yo, Jimmy. Jim, the package came. You got it? The package came in. You didn't get it? Jim. He got it. Lift your head up, man. Good job. Oh,